Hello all my lovely friends out there. My name is Shilpi. I make videos on motherhood, pregnancy, lifestyle, wellness and beauty. If any of these topics interest you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about a very famous and very important skincare tool, that is the facial roller. If you haven't watched my previous video, I have mentioned how you can choose a facial roller depending upon the crystal properties. This would enhance and double the benefits of a skincare tool. As you all know, facial rollers are skincare tools that helps in relieving the muscle tensions that is built up in the face, drain toxins using the lymphatic system, calm irritated skin, and also help in absorbing skincare products better into the skin. Facial rollers are very good to depuff and fighting the wrinkles and fine lines on your face. But are they good enough to clear the acne? This is what we are going to discuss in today's video. In today's video, we are going to talk specifically about acne-prone skin and acne scars. Which facial roller is best for you and what you can do to reduce these problems from your skin. There isn't a very clear connection between acne and lymphatic drainage. Acne are caused by genetics and hormonal imbalances. Impurities clogged within the pores can also lead to acne formation. Thus, if you want to fight acne, you need to have a very good skincare routine. A facial roller can be a good tool to incorporate in your skincare routine if you want to fight an acne. Facial rollers usually use stones and crystals that are very cool to touch. These cool stones helps to calm irritated skin. That helps to reduce the acne and acne scars. So if you are using a facial roller, you should always keep in mind the kind of crystal it is made up of. For soothing an acne-prone skin and for fighting the acne scars, a rose quartz facial roller can be your best choice. Rose quartz is a very powerful crystal and it is associated with heart chakra. It promotes self-love and self-care. It also has great properties that increase circulation, detoxifying face through lymphatic drainage, and also helps in reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Rose quartz also helps to promoting the formation of collagen and increasing the elasticity in your skin. This all gives a very youthful and radiant glow to your skin. Rose quartz is connected with heart and it can be used to attract love and positive energy. The vibration of rose quartz in particular are known to heal, nourish. This is how a rose quartz crystal looks like. It is very clear and very smooth and firm to touch. It is mostly comes in the color of pink or in the shades of red. It rolls more smoothly and the surface is very soft. If you're using a facial roller for treating your acne and acne scars, you need to follow the right technique and use the right kind of correct pressure on your skin. Gentle rolling can be soothing for your skin and help to calm irritated skin. But if you use aggressive way, this can also lead to spreading of active acne. Facial roller should be the last step in your skincare routine. Always clean your facial roller after use with warm soapy water and dab it dry. Using a facial roller on a dirty face or unclean face can increase in the spreading of bacteria. First, you need to clean your face with a good cleanser. The second step is to use any kind of facial oil or serum. Here I am using my vitamin E oil. Take generous amount of your oil or serum and spread it nicely all over your face with gentle pressure using your fingers. Using the wider end of the facial roller, start from behind the ears and go down towards the neck, draining all the liquid into the lymphatic drainage present near the neck. This 5 to 10 times, going from top to bottom. Start from the middle of your lips and go towards your upper ears. Use very gentle pressure. Massage your jawline and go all the way behind the ears and then back to the neck. Here you can slightly increase the pressure to get more defined or contoured jawline. Repeat this 5 times on both the sides. Using the smaller end of the facial roller, massage the under eye area, going from the inner corner to the outer corner. Repeat this 10 times on both sides. Start from the middle of the eyebrows and go in a circular motion towards the outer end of the eyebrows. Repeat this 10 times on both the eyes. Gentle pressure is good. Using the wider end of the facial roller, start massaging from the lower end of the forehead going all the way up towards the hairline. Start from the middle of the forehead and drain all the liquid into the lymphatic node present near the ears. Repeat this step 5 times on both the sides. Now start by massaging one side of your face, draining all the liquid into the lymphatic node present near the ears and then draining all the liquid into the lymphatic node present near the neck. Repeat this on both the sides. If you have active acne on your skin, make sure you apply very gentle pressure. Press your hand all over your face to reap the benefit of facial rolling. If you want, you can use extra cool crystal by keeping them in the fridge. My skin feels rejuvenated, relaxed and fresh after a single use of the facial roller. So in reducing skin care problems such as acne and acne scars, facial roller can be a good tool. Just using the right technique and the right facial roller can help you alleviate this problem. A rose quartz facial roller can be your best choice if used correctly. Keep watching my videos to know which facial tool should you use for different kind of skin problems. Do keep watching my channel for more videos and updates on skincare, motherhood, wellness, lifestyle and pregnancy. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.